Veganism, a word that has become both a dietary choice and a conversation starter. But why is it that this lifestyle choice seems to stir up such strong emotions in some? Today, we're peeling back the layers to explore the science of why people hate vegans. Buckle up, folks. It's going to be a tasty journey through the world of plant-based living. Number 1. The vegan vexation. Why is it that some folks cringe at the mere mention of the word vegan? Well, it's not because of their love for bacon, well, maybe partly. It's rooted in psychology. You see, humans are wired to resist change, especially when it challenges their beliefs or habits. Vegans represent change, a dietary and ethical shift that can make some people feel uncomfortable. It's like trying to convince someone who's been using the same brand of toothpaste for years to switch to a completely different one. Not an easy task. Number 2. The social identity crunch. Picture this: that is, you're at a barbecue, and you proudly unveil your veggie burger. Suddenly, you feel like a Martian in a room full of carnivores. That's because food is not just sustenance, it's a social glue that binds us. We form tribes around our dietary choices, and when a vegan enters the scene, it can shake the foundations of those tribes. People might feel defensive, like their way of life is being criticized. Number 3. The holier-than-thou trap. One reason behind the resentment towards vegans is the perception of moral superiority. Some vegans may inadvertently come across as preachy or judgmental, which can alienate others. It's like that person who constantly brags about their flawless skin. It's hard not to roll your eyes. So, it's essential to share your plant-based journey with humility and understanding. Number 4. The meat-eater's dilemma. Let's talk about cognitive dissonance. This is when our beliefs clash with our actions. Most people love animals but still eat meat. Meeting a vegan can sometimes make people feel a bit bad about their own choices. This uneasy feeling can make them react defensively, and maybe even not like vegans very much. It's similar to the feeling you get when you know you should be working out but are watching TV instead. You might feel annoyed at the person who exercises regularly. Number 5. The communication conundrum. Effective communication is key. Vegans often forget that they once had a steak-loving phase too. Instead of bombarding people with statistics about animal cruelty, try sharing your personal journey. It's like convincing someone to watch your favorite movie by telling them how much you cried during it. Relatability goes a long way. Number 6. The fear of missing out, FOMO. Now, let's talk about FOMO, the fear of missing out on delicious food. Many people associate veganism with bland salads and tofu. The truth is, vegan cuisine has evolved, offering mouth-watering dishes like vegan burgers, cheesy pizzas, and creamy pasta, all without animal products. So, show them the colorful, flavorful world of vegan options. In the end, understanding why some people hate vegans is all about diving into the human psyche. Change, identity, communication, and the fear of missing out play vital roles in shaping these perceptions. Remember, being a vegan is about compassion, not confrontation. So, as you navigate your vegan journey, share the love, not the judgment. And that's a wrap on the science of why people hate vegans. Stay tuned for more enlightening content here at EmpowerU Media. Until next time, keep your hearts open and your plates colorful. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video useful, and for more empowering and enriching content, make sure to subscribe.